Hello everyone and welcome to Beat the Rush. Today we're cooking oat flour and chia seeds pancakes. Let's start by lightly beating 2 eggs. Now, do you need a stand mixer to get some pancakes together? Absolutely not. A bowl and a whisk would be just fine. Add 1 cup of soy milk or any milk you prefer, 1 cup of thick yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Whisk until combined. Then add 2 cups of oat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Stir until combined. Heat a non-stick griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. You may lightly oil it, but I usually don't, as I like to live dangerously. Scoop the batter onto the griddle using 1/4 of a cup for each pancake. When the top of the pancake starts bubbling, turn them over and let them cook for another minute or so. Sometimes I add some blueberries to these pancakes while in the pan for some extra flavor. If you use 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake, you'll get about 18. 1/3 of a cup of batter per pancake would yield around 16. I prefer to eat them with honey and fruit, but by all means, add any toppings you love. I will link the recipe below, so be sure to try it. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.